We begin our adventure with Bunny, a fluffy, energetic mother, and her adorable baby Pip. Suddenly, Bunny has an idea. She bounds towards the house, Pip close behind. Splish, splash. Isn't this fun, Pip? Bunny said, joyful. Hee hee, Pip responded, happy. They play in the water, making a big splash. What a silly pair. But wait, what's this? A portal opens up, whisking Bunny and Pip away. Bunny and Pip find themselves floating in space, surrounded by stars and planets. And look, a football appears, floating towards them. Let's play catch Pip, Bunny said excitedly. Bunny gently nudges the football towards Pip. Yay! Pip exclaimed, delighted. What a fantastic adventure for Bunny and Pip, playing football in space after a shower. Look, Pip, a shooting star, Bunny exclaimed, excitement in her voice. Can we catch it, Mommy? Pip asked, curious. Bunny and Pip decide to chase the